Hello students, today we will discuss about the lesson A Triumph of Surgery. Firstly, we would discuss about the author James Herriot. As we know that James Herriot was an English writer. He was born on 3rd October 1916 in Sunderland, County Durham, England. James Herriot was his pen name. He was also a British veterinary surgeon. He is best known for his writing a series of 8 books that was set in 1930 to 1950. He had written stories involving himself. He was died on 23 February 1995. Now we will discuss about the introduction of the lesson. Introduction. A Triumph of Surgery is written by James Herriot. In this story, he is a narrator of this story. He is also involving in this story as Dr. Herriot, a veterinary surgeon. There are also 2 other characters in this story, Mrs. Pemfrey and her pet dog Tricky. Mrs. Pemfrey loved Tricky very much. She was very worried about Tricky's health. Tricky's become listless. Listless means lack energy. He had no energy to move. Mrs. Pemfrey made to Dr. Herriot and requested him to do medical treatment of Tricky. Here we will discuss how Tricky had treated and which treatment is called a triumph of surgery here. Please like this video. Now we will discuss about the summary of the lesson. In this scene you have seen some. Here Mrs. Pemfrey talking with Dr. Herriot about her pet dog Tricky. Now we are going to discuss about the summary of the lesson. As you know that Mrs. Pemfrey was a rich and emotional lady who had a pet dog Tricky. The dog was very fat. He had no energy to move. Mrs. Pemfrey loved him very much. She always offered him extra food between meals, but his health could not be built up. Even the malt, cold liver, oil, bowl of Horlicks failed to make him sleepy. One day, Mrs. Pemfrey was walking with Tricky on the street. Suddenly, Dr. Herriot had pulled up means stopped up his car when he saw Mrs. Pemfrey with her little dog on the street. He became surprised to see Tricky as he was very fat. He had blood red and rheumy eyes. His tongue lolled from his jaw. You can see here in this picture. Now Dr. Herriot understood all things, that Tricky was greedy. It won't refuse to eat whatever was offered him at any time. He also felt that Mrs. Pemfrey would give him news about death of Tricky within some days. He suggested Mrs. Pemfrey to cut down food that was given to Tricky and give him a lot of exercise. Mrs. Pemfrey replied that it would be followed. Then they moved to their ways. But Mrs. Pemfrey was unable to do so. She only cut down on the sweet things, but she gave him his favorite cream cake and chocolates. The condition of Tricky became worse. One day, Mrs. Pemfrey called Dr. Herriot to treat Tricky. She told him that Tricky did not eat anything. He refused even his favorite dishes also. And besides, he had bout of vomiting. He spent all his time lying on a rug and panting. Panting means breathing with difficulty. He didn't want to do anything. Dr. Herriot advised Mrs. Pemfrey to send Tricky to be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. Mrs. Pemfrey almost swooned. Swooned means fainted. She became fainted, listening these things about Tricky. She was sure Tricky would pine and die. It means Tricky would never live without her. If he did not see her every day, he would going to die. Now, Tricky was ill, and this time was the only way to save him. Mrs. Pumphrey started crying as Mr. Harriet carried Tricky out. All servants rushed in and out to put Tricky's toys, cushions, bed, and bowls into the car. He drove away, leaving everybody in tears. It means all the persons of that house was in tears. In this picture, you can see Tricky has come into the surgery and treated by Dr. Harriet. At the surgery, there were a number of other dogs. They gathered round Tricky and sniffed off. Sniff off means smelled it, but they found that it was dull and uninteresting. Tricky was given no food to eat but plenty of water for 2 days. It seemed to recover. It moved out of the boxes to go with the pack. That day, it saw other dogs eating their meals greedily. When they finished, it licked inside their bowls. Next day, it was given a separate bowl and it ate from it cheerily. Tricky showed rapid progress without any medicinal treatment. It ran about with the dogs whole day. It started fighting like a tiger at mealtime. It hunted rats in the hen house at night. At the while, Mrs. Pumphrey kept worrying about the pet. She rang up a dozen times for the latest news. She was told Tricky was out of danger and recovering rapidly. She became very happy hearing this, and she started to send eggs, red brandy, and wine. These items were eaten by Dr. Harriet and his friends as party in the morning. Dr. Harriet wanted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest. After some day, he thought that it is not a good thing to enjoy with sending items. So he decided to call Mrs. Pumphrey about a fortnight to come and collect her pet. Mrs. Pumphrey was in tears. She gave all credit to medicine and surgery for the rapid recovery of Tricky. But we know that Dr. Harriet had given it regular exercise, enough meals, company of dogs, and leave free to do what it wanted to do. All this treatment has been given that made it recovery rapidly. In this photo, you can see Mrs. Pumphrey has come to receive her pet. Mrs. Pumphrey reached to surgery to collect Tricky. She kept inside the car. She was not quite certain that Tricky was really better. Dr. Harriet brought Tricky in his arm. Tricky jumped into Mrs. Pumphrey's laps and started to licking her. The driver brought out all the things belonging to Tricky. None of these things had been used. It now looked strong and active. Tears of joy had been seen in Mrs. Pumphrey's eyes. She thanked Dr. Harriet a lot with trembling lips. Mrs. Pumphrey thought that the dog's recovery was a triumph of surgery because in 2 weeks Tricky now become healthy. She declared Tricky's recovery as a triumph of surgery to express her happiness and gratitude towards Dr. Harriet. My dear students, I hope you had understood all the things about the lesson? Okay, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get new notification about the new videos. Thank you. Goodbye.